Today we talk about how can you disable recommendations notifications on your GetYourGuide app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just click on notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You will find here recommendations. You will come here to app notifications, clicking this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone. That's my recommendations notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.